Thank you, Winfrey, for that. And Precious, that was really good. High five. Good job. I want us to continue talking about your role now as the UNICEF champion. Tell us more about that role. How did you get to be the champion of UNICEF?
As I had said,
yeah,
this chance, I got it on 2019, the year of COVID. We were just playing. Then we were found and asked some questions. They wanted to know our parents, where we live, and that's when I was connected with UNICEF.
Right. Mm-hmm. We know that, or rather I've been told, you represented UNICEF during the International Day of the Girl Child. Tell us some of the activities you did then.
I was able to engage with all the people.
Mm-hmm.
I was their leader, the boss there.
Oh,
yes.
How was that?
It was so great. It was a very good experience.
Mm-hmm.
I was told more about what they do,
mm-hmm.
what they teach people, about sanitation more and more.
Mm-hmm.
I was able to engage with the others, even the higher peoples,
mm-hmm.
and they showed kindness and loving, and it was just okay.
Who are some of the people you were talking to? The higher people, like you're saying.
The higher people that you were saying.
Yeah.
I talked to Shaini Lofa,
mm-hmm.
the representative of UNICEF in Kenya.
Mm-hmm.
I also engaged with Ben,
mm-hmm.
that is the deputy representative.
Mm-hmm.
We also had the other people,
mm-hmm.
the deputy. There were so many, so I can't remember the
right.
names,
uh-huh.
but they were so kind, generous, and I love them.
That's
and
nice.
Even if I get a chance again, I can go back.
I like that, and you're very confident. How would you inspire other girls who are watching you to do what you're doing,
I can just say that they can do.
Mm-hmm.
Just having a trust or confidence in yourself,
mm-hmm.
you can do more
mm-hmm.
and better.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, my mother is the one who inspired me,
mm-hmm.
because she told me that she learned at upcountry.
Mm-hmm.
They were going by feet, no shoes,
mm-hmm.
no basic needs.
Mm-hmm.
So when she told me that you should never give up,
mm-hmm.
if I can reach here, who are you?
Exactly. That's really nice. And you're the only girl in the family.
Yeah.
How many boys you said?
2
brothers? 2 brothers.
Yeah.
Do they also support you?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
My older brother always supports me.
Mm-hmm.
Any question about school or anything about home, we always confidence.
Mm-hmm.
Or even my mother says that, you see, in this house,
mm-hmm.
I only see 2 best friends,
mm-hmm.
I and my older brother.
Yeah.
But we told her that
mm-hmm.
no, we're always friends.
Right.
She says that we always keep secrets, and say siblings are for keeping secrets, helping others, and staying there for each other.
That's very nice.
Yeah.
Is there anything that we should be expecting from you now, for the projects that you're doing with UNICEF? Anything?
Like we did tree planting at
mm-hmm.
our home there in slums,
mm-hmm.
and we are always watering them for them to grow,
mm-hmm.
and when we get the fruits, we can sell to others,
mm-hmm.
get some money,
mm-hmm.
or give to the poor, children's home.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
that's very nice. Very good initiative. Good stuff. Yeah, this has been fun. I want us to read one more story, because you did very well in the first one.
Okay.
So let's read one more, and then I can let you go. Right?
Okay.
Take it.
Okay. As heavy rains continues to pound different parts of the country, residents living along the Kerio Valley, Escrabbed, and across the entire Elgeyo-Marakwet County are a worried lot, as they are predisposed to imminent catastrophe, as Elvis Kasgoi reports, as Elgeyo County government has already earmarked the landslide-prone areas.